Have you ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? The custom dates back to the 6th century during a plague in Europe. Pope Gregory I suggested saying God bless you to protect the person from falling ill. It was believed that a sneeze could expel evil spirits, and a blessing was needed for protection. Another belief is that sneezing was an early symptom of the plague, and saying bless you was a way to offer a quick prayer for health. Some even thought that the heart stops briefly when sneezing, and the blessing was a way to ensure it would restart.